Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can remove your video background and add a new background in CapCut for mobile. Okay, I just use this background as my new background. Okay, so now I go to my main video that I want to remove background. Go overlay, add overlay, select your video. Head. Now go to cutout. I use chroma key because my background is one color. If your background is different color, then you use to remove background. Increase your intensity around 1 or 2. This is perfect. Okay. Now I just adjust my main video with my new background. And now play the video. So friends, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. I am a small content creator and this is my small channel. Please support me. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.